Good afternoon, guys. Right, so today we're working on our resident motorhome. It's a Swift Car 2009, and one of the things that's been bugging me for a long time is the external 240 hookup mains, lead and socket. So the weather has got to this, sun, rain and everything else, and what it's done is it's broken the plastic housing here. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the whole of this. So if I just unplug the actual mains hookup itself, inside here you've got just the cable with a little pivot thing here, and then it did originally have an external socket for satellite TV, which has now been removed. So what we're going to do is we're going to strip this back and remove this, and we're going to fit this exactly the same identical replacement, just with a new nice clean plastic and with a hinge that's working and not going to then fly open when you're driving. So this is just purely the external mains hookup. The box will come out, it'll get re-Sikaflexed inside there and then hardwired in, and we'll come back to you. I think probably after, there's no point doing a during video, but we'll come back afterwards and show you the finished result. So come back shortly. Welcome back, guys. So we have finished the 240 conversion that we had to do because the other one, the plastic housing, had completely broken, and the sun had faded it quite a bit too. One thing we did notice, Richard and I, while we were fitting it, is even though this is a Swift car, they have cut the hole. Is it in line with this working line of the motorhome, or is it in line when you put a spirit level up here? Either way, it looks slightly off when we look at it, but we've used existing holes and screws. So new fresh plastic cover here. When it's clipped in, it's quite clipped in really well, so you're just going to get your fingers underneath there and open it up, and then you've got a nice hinge that keeps it up here, whereas before last one had broken. New 240 volt connector as well, and then the wiring's just been put through and it's been Sikaflexed all the way around, so it's nice and clean. You don't see any sort of grubby marks, and then when you want to, when it's not in transit, when you want to use it, you just unplug like so. Plug in your socket, which I do now. Okay, so you keyed up anyway, so you just plug it in, like so, and pop the lid down. So even in bad weather, it doesn't make any difference. Water's not going to get in there. You've got the lid, it's facing down like so, and it's designed exactly how the manufacturer would want you to do it. So let's just take that off, unplug the extension, he says. Unplug the extension, and then when you don't want it, just pop it in, clip it in, like so, pop the lid, shut. So if you've got a 240 socket like the one that you saw at the beginning of the video and you want it done, this is quite an important factor, because you could turn up on a campsite and then not have mains, which is going to ruin your holiday if you haven't got decent battery backup in there as well. Plus also you won't be able to do half the things like using a kettle and toaster and whatever else. So this is an important part of your motorhome. If you want to get it replaced and you want it done properly, waterproof, safe, get in touch with us. The website is www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk. Don't forget, we'll do plenty of these modernising videos as much as we can. We've got a couple of other ones, so next week we're doing a video for an external USB waterproof charger. Again, I'll be on the same motorhome just so we can show you all the things that we can do. Don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends and family, and thanks for watching.